Jonathan's channel. It's called Offroad Diaries, for those of you who don't know.
Everybody got blasted in the face.
Oh, you don't have much?
I wear a head mask. That was a good ride. That poor Can-Am flipped over. Then I hooked up with Mr. Jeff right here, and he was getting a good pace. And there was like what do you call them? The kind of like the replica Pro R race car, and he was with us for a second. I wasn't really. I was probably like 60% on that ride. I can't wreck my car on the first day, man. You know what I mean? I can't do that. So now it's opening day, guys. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go pick up Krista and baby Miles, and then we're gonna go hang out at the tent tonight and celebrate UTV Takeover starting. We went and got baby Miles. Krista got this cool little bump seat thing, and he just sits his little tush on it right there.
It's called a tush baby. Tracy told me about it. I got it on Amazon for Prime Days, 54 bucks. Steal. Yeah. Worth it.
Check out this Honda Talon. He fully body painted it. It actually looks really nice. That was a fun ride, guys. I don't know what happened with Aurora. I assume that she's okay. I keep messaging, and nobody's got service out here, so it kind of sucks. But what is this called tonight?
It's industry night. So there's the like, you know, the throwdown party. I don't know. Look how foggy it is. I don't know. Takeover. What's the word? It's like it's like the startup party. Yeah, kickoff party. Yeah, that's the word.
I will either edit all of that out, or I will leave all of that in. Okay guys, it's really hard to record because they have copyright music, and I really try to talk a lot during the copyright music so they don't actually throw a strike on me. But we're here, we're having fun at the kickoff party. They're doing some kind of challenge where they're changing tires and whatnots and all that goodness is in. Are you having fun? These are my friends that I met last night. I thought they were brother and sister, turns out they're boyfriend, girlfriend.
Is he from Alabama?
Tell us about your machine, because this thing, that's it. Tell us about it.
It's a plus 12 out the front, Tiger chassis, 18 out the rear. It's a 24 DM. CC wise, it's a 795. Yeah, me and my dad built it.
That's really cool, man. I hope I can do that with my son one day. Like, maybe not that, because that's a lot. And you are a test driver for some of the stuff, right?
Yeah, I ride. A lot of people want me to ride their stuff.
That's really cool. That's awesome. Do you have an Instagram or anything you want us to give a shout out on? What's your Facebook name?
It's just Braden Donkey.
Braden Donkey. All right. Cool guy. Met him last night, and he told me he races drag quads. I didn't realize that this is actually the quads that he races. This thing is sick.
You race wedges like you. Tell us about your life.
Well, I did a lot of things in my life. Marine, deployed a lot of war. Now, I just have fun. Get drunk.
Did you hear that? Fun, drunk. Gone.
You thought we were going and we were done with this video, but we're not. These guys are great. Unfortunately, we do not see them in Utah because Utah sucks and has stupid rules. Shout out to you guys. Really, we appreciate y'all.
And if you get a jello shot, get a blue one. Oh wait, tomorrow you have orange creamsicle, right?
There you go.
Yeah,
and
there we go.
Tomorrow for you guys is after this is already done, but yeah, just wanted to give a huge shout out to them. They're super nice and they always take care of us, and we appreciate y'all. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, kind of the first official full day of Takeover. We're here at the tire toss because Krista wanted to throw a tire. I just have my shoulder hill up, so I'm not gonna be messing with none of that. Got all these people over here gonna toss a tire. It's a lot more than last year. There's actually a lot more people just period here this early. Last year it was really dead on the first full day.
What are we doing, Amber?
Being nervous because we're gonna throw tires.
Try not to knock somebody out. That's not what I want to do.
But if we get it around their neck,
yes,
we win
bonus
first and
points,
second, right?
Yeah, bonus points, yes. The weather's a little chilly, so Jonathan's got baby Miles over in the car. He's driving. These women have some competition happening here. I'm not feeling very confident at all. Oh my God. Oh my God. That one's gonna be far.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I can beat that.
This lady here, she does CrossFit. She was like, I'm gonna go last, but I'm gonna go last. I'm saving myself for last.
56.
Oh my God. Okay. Well, my confidence went from here to like down here.
Parker got second. Come on, Krista. You got it! Woo! Believe in yourself. You're Krista's the last one. You got time. Yeah!
I'm proud of Krista. She did a good job. It's kind of misty out here and it's kind of windy. Is this why you guys call it the Windy Bay? I like it here. I'm actually having a lot more fun this trip so far than we did the last time. I think it's because all of our friends are here too, which makes it a lot more fun when you have like your core group you hang out with. But I don't know what we're doing today. What are we doing today, Aurora? Are we doing anything at all?
What else is there? So, Max, did you get third in Mascot Mayhem? Where were you? Ava? Who got
Are you just going to stay?
Oh, Libby did?
Me and Cole got fourth.
We got a hay baler over here. Oh my God. Holy cow. That was far. All right, that's a wrap for that.
Hello, old friend. It's nice to see you again.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That stupid fireplace took my freaking life last time. Oh my God. Last year I burned my freaking self to death on that thing. We made it to the Whiskey Throttle camp, which we're usually with, but I don't even know if I said it. We're not here now because we're not going on the sand with our motorhome. We are grilling up some steaks, and this guy is selling. He's actually from Utah, where we're from, and he has Wagyu steaks and Wagyu hamburgers, and freaking, they are delicious. I hope they go to San Hollow Takeover. But yeah, so we're gonna eat a Wagyu steak. It's for Aurora's birthday. Happy birthday, Aurora. She's hanging out with baby Miles. Apparently he's inside the Bumblebee yellow jacket. Miles, what'd you think? Do you like this car? Do you like this car? Yeah? It's Aurora's birthday. She just side-eyed me. So.
She's 11 years old.
Yeah.
11 years old.
She's a 10-year-old in all the videos, drives the RS1 right there. Oh, I said it. But at first I used to call her 11 and I was like, oh, wait a minute. She's 10. And then I started calling her 10, but now she's 11. And then, yeah, exactly. So the night ride could be in question. I don't know how good it picks it up on this camera, but there is fog rolling in.
Do they not do a night ride if there's fog? Or do they still
They
do
did last year, but it was like,
sketchy.
it was very sketchy. It was terrifying. It was very, very scary. I'll put it to you like that. But anyway, so I don't know. I'm gonna watch the fog. If it's too bad, I may not go on it. Yeah, so it's just been kind of a chill day. Wednesday is not super busy, super crazy. Tomorrow, lots of good stuff, fun stuff happens, lots of racing and stuff. But I don't know. And I'm gonna do some more riding. Today's just been a chill day, guys. This kid went from being the cutest, innocent, quietest, just chill kid, and he is absolutely out of control now. So we're gonna cook a Wagyu steak. Okay guys, it's time for the night ride. I don't like to be repetitive with things. Yesterday was a little bit earlier in the day. They only do that on one day of the week, and then it goes to 8 o'clock at night. But we got, looks like a lot of people are lining up down there, so we're gonna go out and have some fun. Hopefully nobody gets in an accident. Last night that was really not good. Looked like that poor Can-Am just end over ended in a witch's eye look like. There's a lot of witch's eyes out here, so if you ever come to Winchester Bay, please be safe. Anyhow, I think it's time to go ride, guys. According to the clock, it's 7:56. That means that we have, oh, there it goes.